you guys, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So it's that time again. It's the Glossy it's our Glossy box unboxing. So we're gonna see what's in it ASMR style. I'm just joking, So the first thing that I got out the box is the hot chocolate mix. It's organic cacao powder. It's chocolate plus cinnamon. It is dairy free. So apparently it's like an organic mushroom hot chocolate. Now I'm not really into the mushroom health era. I'm still back in the olden days of the turmeric, aloe. It's supposed to relax you and calm down. I don't know if I need to be relaxed, but I really want to try it. It says mix 1 packet with hot water. It does smell like cinnamon, but I'm gonna let it cool down because it's a little hot. And then hopefully by the time, you know, in a few, we could see what the hot chocolate tastes. So the next product we got is the Stress Check Clean Hands. It's a no rinse formula hand sanitizer. Let me go ahead and see what this is working with. Oh my God. So this is what it looks like. Can y'all see? It's like a clear aloe vera gel. Y'all remember when the hand sanitizer started smelling like alcohol? Girl, the pandemic was a mess. Oh, I love this scent. This is perfect for people who are really like hippies. If you're really into like hippie, except it says fragrance oil, but it's really giving me very like extracts. Oh, if you're into like really like incense, you know, like the hippie, this is what it smells like. However, it does have fragrance in it, so I don't know how much of a hippie this is, but maybe it's for like the new generation hippies who are not really into natural oils. They like a fragrance oil in their stuff. So body cleanser from the brand Terra de Mars. It says 008 Redemption body cleanser. Let's go ahead and smell it. I can't really smell it because that that hand sanitizer. So I put it all right here so we can see that hand. Wait, this is a different type of cleanser. This is very gel. It smells like lemongrass essential oil to me. That's what I'm getting. We come through Glossy box with the whole natural organic fragrance oil community. Oh, it smells like lemon. It also smells like the mosquito essential oil you use to repel mosquitoes. Y'all know that oil. I can't think of the name off the top of my head. The next product we got is David's Premium Toothpaste. I feel like this month's Glossy box was very organic. Look how thick this is. Let's taste this too. I'm just curious. Y'all taste y'all toothpaste. Sonomi tastes it, and if she does not like it, she will not use it on her teeth. So I'm just curious. Let's taste the toothpaste. Let's taste just a little bit. That's a little bit. Oh my God, that tastes like peppermint. Let's just go ahead. Ooh, that's a strong toothpaste. That's not Colgate. Let's go ahead and wash it down with the reishi hot chocolate. Oh my God. Oh, that toothpaste is so minty. It's so strong. Let's go ahead and taste this while we're at it. Oh my God, this is nasty. Ugh. Oh my God, it's so nasty. Maybe it's mixed with the toothpaste, but this is so nasty. Oh my God, wait. Let me get the toothpaste out of my mouth, then we could taste it. Whew. I think maybe the toothpaste messed it up. Because, so, you know, sometimes when you have toothpaste and then you try doing other things, it can leave a real bad taste in your mouth. But I'm telling you right now, that hot chocolate is nasty. So the next product we have is the acetaminophen. Ooh, collagen all day in one gel. Shout out to the grammar community if I'm saying it wrong. Shout out to the hippies in the organic community if you watching this. Is that a mosquito? I thought it was a mosquito. This box opened and just going left. Always with me. This is such a beautiful color, you guys. It is very creamy. It doesn't have a scent at all. It's almost like jello. Feels like silk on my hands. Can you imagine putting this beautiful product on your face. I can't wait to try this. Come through. Acetaxanthin. Oh, grammar community, people community. I know skincare nerds who watch me. I know y'all know the name of the box, know the name of the product. Let me know. Sign out now. The taste after trying to run from the mosquito has died down. So let's go ahead and taste the hot chocolate. Girl, I have bad vibes about this. Oh my God, this is so nasty. Oh my God, this is disgusting. But it's so warm. You know what it tastes like? Y'all know cacao powder. Y'all know cocoa powder. I call it cocoa powder, but it's cacao powder. Imagine that, and they sell it at all stores. Like if you know Christmas is coming with the baking season. They sell it at all the stores. Imagine taking your hand, dipping it in the cacao powder and tasting it. Girl, it tastes just like this. Where is the coconut palm sugar? Where is the stevia? It just tastes like cacao dirt powder. It's giving dirt teeth. This is so bitter and nasty. Like, oh my God. But it's so warming. So when you taste it and it goes down, it's like, oh, it's giving you this warming calm effect while being nasty at the same time. It is so nasty. Oh my God, this is worse than the black seed oil we tried. This is worse than the, what's that stuff? The chlorophyll we tried. This is like nasty. This beat them all. It tastes like dirt. But it's so warming. Oh my God, I don't think I can feel my tongue. Last product is the Daily Hammam Mint by the brand Daily Concepts, and this is what it looks like. Okay, come through mint for exfoliation. It is a bit rough and coarse, so it really is going to get the exfoliation. It's not big, so if you do have big hands, this may not be for you, but there are a lot of petite people out there that this would be perfect for. Certain exfoliating gloves are pretty big, and a lot of petite people can't use them. So this one is perfect for the come through petites. Y'all gonna love this. This is Sonomi side, my big paw. Come through petites. So everything in this month's Glossy box is $100. So you know we got our money's worth. The hot chocolate, I'm a little iffy. However, I do feel a little chill, a little calm, a little relaxed. For me, I do feel very calm. Like I feel the calm coming over my body. But I am the type of person, I tend to fight medication. So I be fighting the calming effect, except with my magnesium. Like when I take magnesium, I'm really chill. With that being said, this is something new to try. Since I'm always taking magnesium, I should try this. That being said, you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.